The second point I want you to take home with you is that the degree you pick up today is not just a piece of paper, it is a weapon for change. Many are already saying, what is the point of graduating when most of you will end up jobless? But you have to see what others do not. And I speak to not just this graduating class in humanities, but I want to speak to all students who are graduating in this period across the country.